Knowing the YouTube family, they're gonna be looking out like guys, welcome back to my channel. We're doing another mukbang today. So just have some wings here and a zinger, some fries, some soda, which I'm not really going to be indulging in much, but Shami wants it. So yeah, it's actually a bucket of wings that we bought from KFC. I caught like 8 pieces out there. It's been a while since we've done a mukbang, so I decided that, you know what, let's do one today. Even though in the past we already did a KFC mukbang before, but listen, this is what we're feeling for today. So this is what we're having. So
KFC fries is the worst food.
It's the worst fries in life, you know. But I guess it's their tradition. Maybe, you know. Why you know ketchup?
So we're going to be talking about our Carnival experience of 2019. Jumping with Jamaica. Alright, so first of all, we are just now getting the KFC that we should have gotten on Road March Day, meaning that we were supposed to get food and the day we didn't get any food from the van. Had to go and get food elsewhere because thing get too big now, and it seems that they couldn't really manage the crowd, so the line was so long and we were standing there for about half an hour, and when we reached the front we said the food done. We had to stop and buy food we'll pay for, like imagine we'll pay for all our meals and then to come on the day and not get your meals, and it's not we alone. I mean, I feel like we try to make the best of it.
Yeah.
In every way possible, we try to make the best of it.
My Jamaican Carnival 2019 vlog is now live. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and check it out. And what that was, the footage, it could have been longer, but I honestly just gave you guys the best moments for us on the road. What you gotta take up barbecue for?
One KFC.
You don't know barbecue taste? She never wanted a barbecue, you know.
We had to keep on saying to each other, probably get some drinks and then we start feel the vibes. Like when I get drinks, we feel the vibe. Could have been with them.
What was the best part of the road march for you?
Let's see. After I passed Andrew's Hospital going up Trafalgar Road, then reach DJI. That was the best part for me.
All in all, like, Jamaican people know how to have fun
Regardless.
yeah, man. And I mean, I'm saying that in the humblest way possible, because I know some people get easily offended, you know. But yeah, despite the little hiccups and stuff, still going, because at the end of, well, not the end of the day, but you know what I'm saying, when we reached like the mid portion of the road march, we basically ended up marching with another band. So because the road that our band took, we got lost, so
we didn't know it was going there. We thought it was taking another route, so we said, alright, we're gonna go for Devanos, go stop and get something to eat and just catch it back when it pass. We never know say it now go pass there, because normally every year every band is supposed to pass there because they have watch parties set up on that road to watch the bands coming down. So everybody was like, where is Jamaica? Where is Jamaica? They went up in New Kingston and went back.
yeah, so I didn't like the road. Never liked the road. But for anybody out there where you're contemplating and wondering if I should do, if I really want the carnival, I'd say yeah. Trust me. Despite little hiccups and stuff,
it's a really good experience. It's just because we were subconsciously comparing it to last year. We kept on saying it was better last year. The road was better last year.
Okay. Well, I feel like sometimes, you know, people say them do something and then them say next year or next time I'm gonna be even better. Sometimes you don't need to force it. You don't need to try too hard. I'm not saying nobody try too hard or anything like that, but you don't need to change it up. Like, you don't need to change every little thing about what you initially presented for the next time, if you understand. Because sometimes it's everything that you presented initially that the people are so in love with and really want. So when you change up them things, then now it all really change the vibe of everything. Like, one thing with them, the vibes. Them always have vibes. Yeah. Period. Always have vibes. And costumes are gorgeous. Yeah. Gorgeous costumes. Like we did a photo shoot. If you did not check out my vlog again, you will see that we did a photo shoot at Porsche, Jamaica for Jungle Snap. It was lit.
As for the events leading up to the day ago, there was a lot. We didn't really indulge, but there was a lot. I had passes to fets and stuff. I mean, never did really have the energy. Plus, I didn't want to have too much, be drinking too much alcohol leading up to the time. Because 2 days, them are one. Carnival Sunday. And then the Monday after, mash me up. If we didn't see that vlog there too, we have the Beach Lime vlog live right now. You guys need to go check it out. Beach Lime was a movie. Listen,
Beach Lime, you do it for 2 months. If you come to Carnival and you say, you know, no, I have to go up on the Monday, but I have a Beach Lime.
Please, just go with it Tuesday.
Stay. Because Beach Lime is lit. That is Jamaica Beach Lime.
And you get in free with the Jamaica band.
But if you're outside,
I think it's 3,500.
Don't quote me. That was this year, I'm not sure. Yeah. It might be more next year. But yo,
it was amazing.
Amazing, guys. And boy, I'm made a piece of food already. You feel boss? A liar.
I don't feel like I get food.
You? Will mash up one big box a day? Listen guys, I don't know how much more to stress that in me to check out the vlogs, because sometimes I see questions being repeated, some of which I might already speak about on the vlog channel.
Don't take it.
Don't take what?
The last price of it.
I can keep it.
You get barbecue.
Oh, let's try Kwang style. Let's try Kwang style of eating wings.
Hold on, wait a minute.
Oh god.
So,
I have a nail.
Uno Kwang Tron. The other day we were really hungry in the night and we were watching his how to eat wings 101. So I'm saying, take the wing and you push down.
Wait, what I feel? I always do it in my professional, you know.
Push down everything like so, and then
that's a lot. You get yours clean, look at mine. It's a whole another level. Then when you're biting it off, you get the fullness of the chicken or the meat.
This tastes like me just like a big bite out of a breast.
Or a fat leg.
Yeah.
That's it though.
I'm not gonna do that method there again.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
Alright, so for the entire month of April, I was vlogging, doing daily vlogs and stuff. And that was to just, you know, leading up to the big day, which was Carnival. I know Carnival is over. It's like, what next? What next?
What next? We're in May now.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know more to eat.
I am full. You know, the other day I was saying to Swan, oh, 8 piece of wings for full your belly. I can't put it. I'm sure I never eat 8 a while ago.
No. Wow, it's bigger than me. It's big. It's a big task. Eat the last one here. Alright, start eating it.
Wow.
I have to take out the tomato.
Don't eat tomato, guys. Like, don't eat it.
That's how you look so.
Such is life sometimes, you know.
Take a bite of this. Quick time. Guys got it? Nice. Mother's Day is coming up. But I'm not gonna talk about what I'm planning for that. No, and then
after that, summer officially will start at the ending of June.
Dream weekend? You think so?
Ufui?
Nigga far enough people.
I'm a very restless person. I when my base far enough for me. Oh God, man, for drive.
Negril, we live in Kingston. Negril is like 6 hours away from here.
We're not American people, like I said, they're not far enough.
But that's short. That's
but we're
short.
small island girls. We don't know anything else.
That's true.
Forgot what you, which is 45 minutes away far from me. Me can't. The 6-hour drive thing. Can't.
Wicked, people, wicked. Can I manage this thing out?
You can. I work it.
Wait, so I work it. Wait, there's one more wing. I have to eat this wing. I don't know if I can manage this right now, guys. I'm going to eat the last wing, but I can't manage this. That's why I'm share it, you know. Okay. At first, Shami was like, "You're going to cut this with a knife, right?" Like, what? I didn't buy this thing for me and you. I bought it for myself.
And my exact words were, "You're going like you can't manage it."
Listen.
So said, so done. She didn't even touch it.
My belly you go boss. Guys, Jim, what? What? Where? What is that? A joke. I haven't been to the gym since
Carnival.
Since Sunday?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because we went, last week we did gym from Monday straight to Saturday. Straight out. We never play, you remember? So it's about gym now, Shami?
Yes, it's not.
Well, me not answer it here.
Me not answer.
You going to continue the gym?
I'm gonna tell you. You not pressure me. Like everybody's saying don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. But me get some me a build muscle or whatever, but I'm not keeping the weight. Like the weight is what I want. Yeah, I get some look different, but it's not what I want. Personally, it's not what I want. I want the weight.
So all I think it's time for you to put on weight. It not take 3 months, you know? That's what I feel. She's not there mentally. I guess when you know you reach mentally, then because honestly, anybody that's been in the gym or know about the gym, you know, say putting on weight or size overall, it takes time. Especially if you're a person that struggles with putting on weight, it takes time. It's not like people with like me now. If me not careful of me just out of the gym and I eat, I'm gonna get chubby. I'm gonna get real chubby, you know. So like for her case, like you have to definitely be so committed mentally than physically, because you see if you just look on the physical aspect of it alone, it'll get the better. You're not gonna really want to continue, but that's where that is. Yeah. But there's one party that happens in Dream Weekend though. Dream Weekend time, I think with
Wet n Wild.
Yeah.
I always hear someone talk about it.
Wet n Wild is the most lit party for Dream Weekend. I'm not saying I'm going to Wet n Wild, by the way. I'm gonna say, if I was supposed to go,
Wet n Wild would be the one party.
Oh yeah.
But me feel kind of far to go for one party still.
We don't have to go with the intention to do, you know, like other stuff. The food done, well, kind of. My belly full. Who boss? Your boss?
Boss.
We never think this that, you know? Honestly, sometimes people say, when I do the mukbang, I have more food. Honestly, Jamaica this food expensive.
Bad.
We just spent like 3,000 something Jamaican dollars.
That's like $25 US.
Yeah, that's like $25 a true. Yeah.
I'm gonna get the same quantity when I get for $25.
Right. So if you want more food than this, you probably have to go buy one second bucket. Which
and then I make no sense to buy food for full up the table and when I eat it, you know.
This is Jamaica.
We alone live, you know.
Right?
True, we alone live.
Right, so it don't make sense to go just put up a bag of food for the video and then don't eat it. Plus, honestly, this is just me. I don't like overnight KFC. Period. If the chicken pass now or 2 hours, I don't want it.
Plus the fries already not taste good from you just get it. So
no, KFC fries is the worst. But like there's something about it sitting for too long. Like that's just me personally. I'm gonna go to OD. You know what I'm wearing there? I hope you enjoyed our little review, our little mukbang that we did. Hope we didn't bore you. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give this a thumb up and stay tuned. Yeah, so that's it for today, and we'll see you guys in our next video. So
you say our next video,
my next video, like a 2 away. Listen, if you're not gonna ask about Shami channel, ask her that on her Instagram. Her Instagram is 876 dimples. Yeah, I can't answer that for her. You want to address it? Tell the people them the truth.
I'm not gonna tell her no. So I'm not do it.
Barbecue sauce on my finger.
I'm not gonna promise her no, so I'm gonna do it. I'm not telling her so I'm not do it because I'm not sure at the moment.
What you feel like it might have a change of heart towards filming?
Being that I'm finished with school right now. Yeah. So
okay.
Maybe.
But nobody string the people along, you know.
Yeah, just hear me say me not make no promises, so me I go do it. I'm not say
but
me not
knowing the YouTube family, they gonna be looking out like.
But what content will you guys?
Yeah, tell me, tell us in the comment section.
Hey.
For all the people who know about Shami or Divinity Dimples YouTube channel, let her know what kind of videos you want her to do. Do you want her to vlog?
What would I vlog?
Your daily life.
Me don't want not daily
life. It's lies. Yesterday Shami gonna leave me the whole day. The whole day. We were supposed to do this mukbang from yesterday.
She never told me that.
But this went on the road or whatever. It left me here alone.
Is that jealousy I hear?
I don't know. Oh no, not at all. I'm just saying, probably want to see vlogs.
Let me know what you guys want to see.
Or let me know which other mukbang you want us to do. I know so this is repetitive because I did KFC already. So probably I should do like
I don't know if you want some steamed fish and okra.
Oh my gosh, yes, steamed fish and okra mukbang would done good. Let me know.
From over Elshire.
What's that? Anyways, we've been rambling. Alright guys, so later.
Bye.